Hello everyone and welcome back to APWC. फाइनली कोटा फैक्ट्री का सीजन 3 आ चुका है नेटफ्लिक्स पे, तो चलिए उस पर बात किया जाए. दिस वीडियो विल डेफिनेटली कंटेन स्पॉयलर्स, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स बिगिन. रेडी. I have said this multiple times and I'll say it again. TVF never disappoints. I do believe that if this is the end of Kota Factory, then it is hands down the greatest end to a show, because one more season will be futile. They have exhausted the storyline and there cannot be anything new or fresh. Something similar to what I witnessed while watching Aspirants Season 2 as well. Stretching beyond a certain point becomes pointless, and I guess TVF knows that. Genius is about knowing when to stop. In Season 1 and Season 2, we came across the plight of students who come to Kota and how they get accustomed to this so-called factory which manufactures robots.
पापा, आपको पता तो है कोटा फैक्ट्री बन चुका है, जहाँ पहले धीरे धीरे तराश कर बच्चों को काबिल बनाया जाता था, वहाँ मास प्रोडक्शन लग गई है.
But in Season 3, the focus shifts towards the teachers as well, keeping the entire crux same to what it was in Season 1 and 2. With Jeetu Bhaiya facing dilemma after the suicide of one of his students, he goes through an episodic event of absolute depression and anxiety. The entire depression phase of Jeetu Bhaiya, जिसे दीवार के सीलन के साथ कंपेयर किया है, was such an appropriate metaphor. How, if depression is not dealt properly, and how, if you break therapy, you will fall in a convoluted spiral of identity crisis. In fact, this is one of the best portrayals of depression I have seen. Hard relate Jeetu Bhaiya, hard relate.
देखिए सर, अभी हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते हैं आपको. हम डिस्प्रेशन में अभी हैं.
कोची में है?
डिस्प्रेशन में है सर.
Also, parallelly, we see the students gearing up for their battle, which is JEE and JEE Advanced. The nightmare of not being able to sleep the whole night, waking up late and reaching the wrong exam center was portrayed so horrifically कि
थोड़ा देर के लिए वहां पे कोठी मुंह में था.
The best part was that somewhere you know what is going to happen, but you don't want that to happen. That entire sequence where Vaibhav doesn't clear his advance, but all his friends have cleared, was a tad bit predictable, but it does the job of showing how life ain't all sunshine and rainbows. The most heartbreaking thing was how even after getting a good rank, Meena leaves his victory parade and comes back to support Vaibhav after getting the news. That's what true friendship is all about.
हम दोनों ने एक ही किताब पढ़ी थी, मगर ये सबक तूने कहां से पढ़ लिया मेरे भाई?
This is the farewell that Jeetu Bhaiya deserves. The pain of leaving and detaching yourself from all the students is tough and understandable.
इनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत बड़ी चीज है. जीतू सर नहीं ले पाएंगे.
जीतू भैया ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले पाएंगे?
In fact, the ending scene when both Vaibhav and Jeetu Bhaiya are parting ways, you can see how Jeetu Bhaiya smiles, but holds himself back from reacting further. This beautifully shows how he has slowly moved on from his Jeetu Bhaiya persona. The background score of this show needs to be studied in order to understand how important a good score is, especially when your show is heavy on emotions and the visuals are black and white.
मैम, अगर अपने ही बच्चों के सामने जीतू भैया का मुखौटा लगाना पड़ जाए ना, टाइम इज ओवर. यही मेरा सत्य है.
Verdict. I'll happily give Kota Factory Season 3 4 out of 5 stars for its story, dialogues, emotional value, cast, and relatability factor. It's a great show, nonetheless, and if you have watched the first 2 seasons, then don't miss the third one. It ends on the right note, and anything more than that would have ruined the feel of the show. Just as the last episode is about to end, we get to see Jeetu Bhaiya leaving Kota, and Vaibhav gearing up for round 2, whilst all his friends are leaving for IIT. और यहाँ पे हमें 2 सीख मिलती है. 1. It's important to move on to something else when things are not falling in place. Sometimes it's important to take a step back and try something else in order to get back to your past self.
हर कोई अपने फ्यूचर के लिए मूव ऑन करता है। मुझे अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है जयपुर में, तो जा रहा हूँ।
Second, restart करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। Setbacks and failures are a part of life, but you should never give up. It's okay if it takes a little longer than you thought.
तू लेट है इसलिए थोड़ा पीछे है, पर अकेला नहीं है। लास्ट मोमेंट तक लड़ेंगे, IIT क्रैक करेंगे।
That's it for this video guys. Comment on your thoughts on Kota Factory Season 3. और हाँ, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना दोस्तों। मिलते हैं अगली बार। Till then, bye.